we saw him like run up the stairs. Like, I don't blame the poor little guy.
He knows where to hide.
The other thing you have to remember too is you have to be careful about where you store the lithium batteries, as you'd mentioned.
Oh, that's a good point, yeah.
Because if they are stored inside and something sparks up like this situation, there's a good chance it can catch your house on fire. That happened here in Orlando recently, where somebody had their leaf blowers with the batteries plugged in, and they sparked and caught fire, burned the house down.
You know, and you'll hear now, they really, it seems like it's just a more of a push as of late. When you check baggage at
Yes.
airports, they will ask you over and over, make sure you don't, because that'd be the worst place for something like that to happen, am I right?
Yeah.